Hello everyone, welcome to our daily English conversation practice. Today, we'll see how to talk in simple English in daily life. Let's start with a fun conversation between a mom and her son. Listen carefully.
Good morning. Did you wake up early today?
Good morning, Mom. No, I was feeling sleepy.
Go and brush your teeth quickly.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Don't forget to wash your face properly.
Yes, Mom, I'll be fresh in 5 minutes.
Fine, but you must finish your homework after breakfast.
Don't worry, Mom, I already did half of it.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want aloo paratha with butter.
That's good. And clean your room too, it looks messy.
Alright, Mom, I'll do it after homework.
Are your school books ready?
I'll check my bag after breakfast.
You should be more organized.
I'll try to be, Mom.
Today you have your English test, right?
Yes, Mom, I have prepared for it.
That's great. All the best for your.
Thank you, Mom. I'll do my best.
Wear your shoes and get ready. The school bus will come soon.
I'm ready, Mom. Just taking my lunchbox.
Here's your lunch and water bottle. Thank you, Mom. You're the best. Alright, go carefully and listen to your teachers.
Yes, Mom, bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day, my dear. Thank you for watching. Learn daily English with fun conversations. Like, share and subscribe.